Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be getting back to our basic movements with a new step, the dégage. Dégage, like most of the steps we've learned so far, is a French word which means to disengage. So, when you're doing your dégage, you can think of it as your foot disengaging with the floor. To start off, we'll brush our foot forward into tendu. And if you don't remember tendu, then be sure to go back and revisit the first video in this series. From here, lift that tendu out of the floor so that the toes hover just a couple inches off the floor. Then, place your foot back down in tendu and brush that foot back to close. It's important to note that this step relies heavily on your tendu. If you're not brushing through it, then you're not doing a dégage. My students know I'm good for saying, I don't know what that is, but it is not a dégage. It's also important not to lift your foot too high here. When I say only a few inches, that's literally what I mean. Any higher and you'll be getting into petit battement range, and we haven't gotten there yet. And that's it for your dégage. Easy, right? Now, moving forward, we'll learn another of our basic steps before we dive back into another concept. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full, live, online classes at rmjstudios.com for more.